Geeks, Tim with MajorGeeks.com, and today we're going to take a look at Freemake Video Converter. This is one we're going to run through the install with you real quickly just so that you're aware because it is marked as ad supported, so let's be careful on the install. This is checked by default. It is the send information back and forth, anonymous statistics. Most of us prefer to opt out, so that is up to you. There's more information here if you want. We're going to click next, and we'll do a custom installation, see what we got here. There it is. As you can see, by default, it is off. So as ad supported goes, I kind of appreciate this because if you were a click, click, click to install, you wouldn't have any problems with it. So we'll finish up the install briefly here, get the program running, and we'll show you a couple of things. Freemake Video Converter can do quite a bit, convert all sorts of videos back and forth from one to the other. So it's actually pretty popular and it's highly rated. People like it. I just wanted to go over some of the basics of the install with you, even though it shouldn't be a problem. So you get the usual pop-up, support us, and Freemake Video Converter is now starting. There we go. And there is your basic layout. As you can see right down here, you have video, audio, DVD, photos, URL pasting, transfer to an AVI, Windows Media, Apple, DVD, MPEG, MP4, MP3, 3GP, MKV, FLV, Android, YouTube, Xbox, PlayStation. It's pretty much got it all. So basically, there's a couple ways to do this. You can find a file, but the easiest way to do it is, let's take a video here and just drag it right in. Now this will work pretty much the same with audio as well. So now you see you have the time of the video, the format of the video, size, ratios, frames per second, etc. So now all you want to do is decide how you want to do it. So we have, for example, the opportunity to change it to anything we want. So let's say to WMV, same as the source, original size. You can change it here, make sure it's 1080p, whatever you want to do. As you can see, mobile quality, pretty neat. One pass encoding, where do you want to keep it? As you can see, you will get a branding until you purchase it at the beginning and the end. If you click on remove branding, as you can see, you need to purchase it. So let's do a quick convert. It lets you know again, and we'll sit here and wait a second for the conversion. So there's your percentage bar here, shut down when completed if needed. We'll click a quick pause while we wait for this to finish up, and we're back. As you can see on my computer, once again a pretty quick computer, 5.5 minutes to convert. You can click on OK, and if you open up your Windows Explorer under your documents, by default, you should have a Freemake folder with profiles and projects. So you can open these projects here anytime you want and bring that into Freemake if you like. Let's get out of that for right now. Pain in the butt. And show in folder. There we go. Users, Major Geeks. And it is now a WMV file. So as you can see, ready to roll as Windows Media. There is the splash we warned you about. A quick look will show you that it is $19 to get rid of the splash. So there you go. Not too hard to use, pretty simple, I think you'll agree. And again, you will repeat almost the same thing, almost exactly, when you open up any kind of music file or anything similar to that. So just when you thought it was safe and we were done, we're not. You notice this over here, a nice little feature to cut your video. So let's take a look at it here. And what you can do is you have a start point. You have a couple options here, but you can go through your scenes for the most part. Let's say you knew where you wanted to cut it. Let's say I want to cut it right here. Let's click the start. Where do I want to stop it? I want to stop it right here. So we're going to come over here and we're going to click selection end. Again, just mouse over if you're not sure and you can figure it out. Again, as you can see, there's a pack they sell for extra stuff, subtitles there. So it can be a pretty complete conversion and editing suite if you get the add-ons and purchase the program. So we're good here, so let's just cut that right out of there. And now, as you can see right where we started, we just took the whole thing out. And of course, simply save it and you're done. So a lot of neat little features with it that you can do. And again, photos, doesn't matter what it is. You want to swap stuff around from any format to the other. Great thing for YouTube. Great thing to maybe make a better quality video, chop it up, do whatever you want. So there you go. That's a pretty simple look at Freemake Video Converter. Download link will be in the description. Thank you for watching. As always, see you next time.